Right, folks, this is the stuff that we made when we were dissecting the Edith Holden Country Diary book and making ephemera from it. So let's get it out and see what there is. There's a fair bit. There's loads, actually. Oh, and a stray bit of Edith at the bottom. Let's see what there is. Let's go through it. Okay. I think that's a flip-flap. Yes, in fact, that is what that is. You stick this onto your page. That's the little journaling card that goes in there. And then this flips out. And that's a journaling card as well. So that's what that is. How come these things never, ever, ever want to go back in when you're filming them? So that's what that is. It's a flip. Goes like that. That's your card that goes in there, and this flips. So that's that solved. That's mystery solved. Here's another one, look. Yeah. So that gets stuck onto your page like that. This is your journaling card that goes in there, and then this is the flippy floppy bit with a journaling card inside. Like so. So they all go together. Then this, I don't know what these are. I don't even know what they're doing there. They're pockets. They haven't been decorated, but I'll leave them. No, they're envelopes. They're envelopes, look. They fold over like that. And that folds there. I'll leave them in. They're just obviously need decorating, but they're the right size. And this is what they make. They make these envelopes. Here's one with the toadstools on. And inside we've got a journaling card that we made from the masterboard. And it's just got some chain on it with a tiny little tag on the end, just so you know there's something in there to pull out. And that you can pop, it's really thin, you could pop that very easily into a pocket. And boy, wouldn't it look nice. Here's another one, another envelope with a chain. So there's obviously something inside. Same story. A nice little tag there. Ooh, it's a nice one. And that's the apple tree and blackthorn, I think that is. Here we have, what do we have? I'm not exactly sure. Oh, well, I think it's an envelope. I mean, it is an envelope. There we go. No, it's not lovely. I'm going to stop saying isn't it lovely because they're all lovely. This, what is this? What is this? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, look, it's an accordion pocket. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, it's a little accordion pocket. Just something to pop into a pocket, something different. Here we've got another envelope there. And here another, oh, this one's lined. Is this posh? Ah, I see. It's it looks like an envelope, but it's a trifold. Like that, so there's lots of journaling inside. So you could put it into a pocket like that, or, you know, whatever, however you want to. Here, this is another little accordion pocket. Nice. That's it. Opens up like that. Here we've got a little envelope with a little tag on it as well. There we go. And here's another one. There you go, with a little tag on it. I've just pushed inside, it should be outside, there we go. And a journaling card. Another one of those trifolds, like that. I don't really know what this is doing in here, but it's very nice. It's a piece of craft card with some die-cut flowers and a stamp that's been embossed on the back. I don't really think it's got much to do with Edith, but it's in there, so I'll leave it. Here we've got some flowers that I've painted. They're cut out with die-cut from Edith, and I've just painted them up. There's not that many, but there's some in there to get you started. What's this? Oh, it's a little notebook. I love this image of the birds, winter birds feeding on it. Yeah, it's a little notebook. easily go into a pocket. And here we've got the journaling cards. Was there another one? Maybe not. That are made from the beautiful foxgloves and the irises that are sliced up and then jigsawed them back together to make the most of them, really. And then zigzagged around them on the machine. So there's 3 of those. They need to be straightened out. Some little tags, just there's some really little ones here, just cut out of Edith. I mean, look at the size of that one there. But they'll come in handy if you're making a journal. I know they will. So there's a little bag of those. There's this, which is a little notebook. This, which also looks like it might be, yeah, a little notebook. Always handy, aren't they? Then this, which is a pocket with a journaling card in, and then a pocket here with a little tag in it. Like that. Oh, it's made from an envelope, I think. Yeah. So you'd stick that into your journal. Then you've got this journaling card here, and you've got a little tag there. Very nice. I like those. Then this with the acetate window here and the chaffinch there. I really like him. And a journaling card in the back. I put it in that way because you can see the bird more clearly, but it probably goes that way better, to be honest. Then we've got, what are these? What exactly are these? Let's have a look. Oh, I see, the tiny little labels, and yeah, that's exactly what they are, little labels made from pages of Edith, but more of the plain cream bits of Edith. But they are Edith, so they're in there. And this little glassine bag looks like more little tags. Yeah, little tags, all sorts of, you know, all sizes, but they're all little. So they are very useful when you are making a journal. A pocket, my favourite pocket. Blackbird, they're lovely, they are, those blackbirds. This, which is just a bifold, some lace down there, handy to pop in a pocket. And another one. A side pocket, another envelope with a journaling card in, and a chain and a tag on the end, yeah. Journaling cards with the birds. Right, let's start on this pile then. Here we have, yeah, it is what it is. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a flippy flappy thing. But when you join it together, the picture makes a whole, and then you've got journaling inside, and if you just pop it into a pocket, you've got journaling on there. And this is the same idea, but the other side. So you could stick it in your journal and just have it flapping out if you wanted, or you could put it in a pocket, so then you could journal on there too. I think this one might be the same idea. It is. And this one might even be the same idea. Yeah. So nice and easy to make. I've stitched around them. So then we have a pocket, a pocket, a pocket, a pocket. I've left all the gussets on these so they're easy for you to stick in your book. And then you'll have lovely gusseted pockets, and everybody knows I love a gusseted pocket. Journaling card. Most of these are sewn around, to be honest with you. The couple of pockets there, isn't that lovely? But you can see I've sewn around the front piece of the pocket, so when you fold your gussets in, that's how it looks. You can see all your stitching. This pocket with the bird's nest. This pocket. This is a side pocket. That's pretty. This is also a side pocket. Then we come into the land of tags. Tag, tag, all sewn around and all with an eyelet in already. Tag, Tag. 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 My goodness, we were busy, weren't we? Tag. Aha, an envelope. That hasn't got anything in. That's ready for you to fill. But if you wanted to follow my lead of putting a little tag on the outside, there's plenty in those glassine bags. That's just it's just a tag with collaged Edith bits. Put a sticker on it or whatever you fancy on there. Another tag that's got the top done. What else have we got here? What's this? Oh, it's a notebook. Yeah, it's a notebook. And I've fussy cut round here and stuck him onto there. I think he looks gorgeous, actually. Love him. That's just a postcard. Got in there somehow. Oh yeah, there's the other one, the iris one. Lovely. And then this. I honestly don't know what this is. Oh, I see. Oh, it's you just fold it out like that. And I've fussy cut this little wren out, look, and stuck it onto there. And then we've got this tag in there. So you take that out, you've got lots of journaling there. And it just closes up. And I'm not going to tie it because I'm inept at tying bows. And you could either just stick that into your journal and you'd have all that when you open it up, or pop it into a pocket. So there we go, guys and gals. That is the Edith Ephemera. I hope you like it. There is loads of it. Loads and loads and loads. There's certainly enough for a journal in there. Definitely. A very full and chunky journal, I would say. So let's pop it back in the basket and I shall list it on Etsy. So thanks for joining me. I hope you like what we made. Bye for now.